Hey guys, I'm Fontana Monique. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be bleaching this bundle from a natural color to a 2730. Let's get started. You need plastic, an eyebrow archer, powder brush, volume cream developer, basic white powder, your mixing bowl and your brush, aluminum foil, your gloves, and the bundle. First, separate your bundles, and then we're going to split the bundle wefts using the eyebrow archer. Be sure to turn your bundle over and repeat the same process on the other side. Use the other end of the brush to check your bundles to make sure that you didn't leave any areas unbleached. And place your bundle in the aluminum foil. This will speed up the bleaching process. Set your timer to 15 minutes and check occasionally. I've sectioned off the wig where I'm going to install the bundles. The bundles came out to a 2730 just as I wanted, and now I'm going to start the install process. I only added about 3 or 4 tracks to the top. Thank you guys for watching my channel.